Alright, today we're going to be replacing the carburetor on this Ariens 921045. We're going to start off, I'll grab a 10 mil. We're going to pop off this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and then this thing should, see, pops right off. And then there's one right here in this exhaust, and then there's one right here, and then that whole cover should come right off. Alright, after you got all the bolts out, this cover should be pretty loose. What I usually do is I just bend that up a little bit, and you're gonna have trouble back here. It's connected with this primer bolt, but usually it should just slide off. This whole cover, you gotta work it a little, but it'll come right off. Just place that to the side. Then we're gonna take off this, and this whole shroud. Actually, we're gonna have to take this side off too. Now for this side, we're gonna have to take this electric starter out. It's only 2 Phillips, and pop this fuel shut off. And then there's 2 10 mils behind here, and then there should be 2 right here too. To take all that off, and then this piece of metal should come off too, and that'll expose the bolt for this. Now there should be a bolt right here, but it's missing. But take that out, and then alright, well, definitely needed 2 hands, but if you move this fuel line out of the way, it gives you some more space. All we gotta do next is just take this hose clamp off down here and pop it off. Alright, now that fuel line's off, I'll pull this carb like halfway off, and you can mess with this throttle. This slot allows that rod to be lined up enough for it to pop off. All you gotta push that over a little. There you go, pops right out. That's your old carb. Just be mindful of direction of these gaskets when you take it off. The new kit should come with a new one of these black things and a new gasket. These are fairly new, so I'm going to keep it. I'm just going to double up the gasket and throw the new car back on. Alright, put the new gasket on. This carb link should just pop right in there, and then the spring, same thing, should just loop right in that small hole. It's a lot easier with 2 hands. There we go. Alright, let's do her in, push it back, connect that fuel line. Put that hose clamp back on, and then we gotta throw this plastic shroud back on. Now it's just a matter of putting everything back on. How it came off. This goes back in, put the 2 screws over here, 2 screws here, 2 screws over there, and then you can put that electric starter right back on. And